The amplified Voyager of the seas. This is an internal room, 7453. We've had an internal room before, so we were interested to see what the new one was like in the amplified Voyager, but I'll go through it with you. So come in, bedroom, bathroom, storage. For the two of us, there was enough storage for hanging space, top and bottom, and shelves. And a little bit up the top, we put the kettle up there just to get it out of the way, because we're not ever going to have a tea in the room, and hats. We've got the bench space for toilet makeup with the US or international adapters on both sides. So if you're coming, make sure you bring an adapter with you from Australia. Television and some more storage at the top and a safe. Our biggest problem with the room is, unless you're acrobatic, you're going to struggle to get in and out of the bed. We've been in an internal room before, and there's been more room than that to get in and out of the bed. If the beds were separated into single, plenty of room, but when it's made together as a double, good luck getting out in the middle of the night. That's our biggest disappointment of this room. Couch, full length mirror, and into the bathroom. Good shower. No curtains with closing doors. Oops, can't reach. Anyway, closing doors. Toilet and basin. Not much room for two people in there, but you're not in the room for long. And then exit. So that's our room, 7453.